Hi, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries. And are you looking for something to watch this winter? Well, how about our feathered friends? Some common birds in the winter right now include cardinals, blue jays, sparrows, finches, and chickadee. Now, ideal food for the winter is high in fat or oil because it provides our birds with the energy they need to survive the winter season. So this includes things like suet, fruit, peanut butter, black oil sunflower seeds, hulled peanuts, millet, or Niger seed. Now when shopping on our online shop, you'll notice all of our seed here is posted, as well as on the side we note the ingredients to ensure you choose the right option for the winter season. So place your feeder close to your home or in a sheltered location to protect it from the high winter winds, ensuring that it is not too close to your home that a bird would hit a window or any other part of your home. We also have a fun activity to do as a family together. So this is making your own bird feeder for home. This is simply a paper roll, and we've spread it with some peanut butter. If you have an allergy in your family, you could use shortening also. And we've simply rolled it in some bird seed. If you don't have bird seed at home, you can use things like dried fruit, nuts, and then we suggest to hang a little twine here, hang it up in a tree, and it's a really fun activity to do with your kids at home. So we invite you to send us a picture of any of the birds that you spotted outside in your yard this winter season, as well as we invite you to our Facebook page to check out our infographic on 12 tips to attract birds to your yard fast. Now we've also just posted a new large selection of bird feeders, houses, seed, and supplies on our online shop, sipkens.myshopify.com. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy bird watching.